I make a strategy. I make a localization strategy for and roadmap only for you. So this is the localization strategy and roadmap. So first of all, we are introduce the current situation analysis, then goals and objectives, then key tactics for local SEO, then YouTube video opportunities for your business, then roadmap timeline, then tools and resources, then expected results and metrics. So first of all, we are talking about current situation analysis. Current situation analysis is the part of 2 points. Number 1 point are common pain points, and number 2 is business challenges. So number 1, common pain points. Let's break down common pain points for your local SEO businesses. So common pain points are number 1, low Google rankings. The business is ranking poorly in local search results. Number 2, unclaimed Google business profile. This GBP is either not claimed or not fully optimized, affecting local visibility. Then common pain points are poor reviews or no reviews management, negative or few reviews, hurting the business reputation and local trust. Then limited YouTube presence. Your business doesn't have a YouTube channel. So number 2 of current situation analysis for your business are business challenges. Please now break down the business challenges. First is inconsistent name, address, phone number. Business details not consistent across the web. Number 2, local citation, no local citations, missing listings on local directories and websites which can affect rankings. Number 3, website SEO issues. On-page SEO might not be optimized for local keywords. This is the current situation analysis. Then we are talking about goals and objectives. So smart goals. Now I am break down the smart goals for our local SEO services for your business. Number 1 is increase with local search visibility. Boost locally search visibility by 30% within the next 3 months. Number 2, go reviews. Gain 50 new positive reviews over the next 6 months. Number 3, drive local traffic. Increase organic traffic to the website by 25% over the next 6 months. Number 4, local YouTube growth. Achieve 500 views per video within 6 months. And then number 5, improve conversion rate. Increase local leads by 20% by implementing SEO improvements. Then we are talking about key tactics for local SEO. So number 1 topic is Google Business Profile Optimization. Number 2, keyword research. Number 3, on-page SEO. Number 4, local citations. Number 5, review management. Number 6, content creation including review. And last, number 9, link building. Now we are break down all these sections step by step. First of all, we are break down Google Business Profile Optimization section. So number 1 is claim and verify the Google Business Profile. Number 2, fill out all sections, business descriptions, hours, categories, photos, and services. Number 3 are encourage reviews. Implement a review management strategy. Number 4, post regular updates. Share news, offers, and updates on GBP. Then we are talking about keyword research. Now I am break down the keyword research section. Use tools like Google Web Planner and SEMrush to find local keywords. YouTube keywords, research them, terms like how to. Focus on local intent keywords. Then I break down the next section is on-page SEO. So number 1 is optimize title tags and meta descriptions. Include local keywords and business details. Number 2, mobile optimization. Ensure the website is mobile friendly. Number 3, use structured data, schema markup, and added local business schema to improve local rankings. Number 4, internal linking. Ensure strong internal linking to important pages. Then I am sharing the next section for key tactics for local SEO is local citations. Now I break down this local citation section. List on local directories. Ensure the business is listed on local sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Chamber of Commerce. Next, number two, consistency is key. Ensure have consistency across all directories. Now, the next sections are review management. Important section, most important section is review management. Now I am break down the review management. Implement a review strategy. Request reviews from satisfied customers by email, SMS, or direct links. Number two, respond to reviews. Engage with both positive and negative reviews professionally. Then number three, monitor reviews. Use tools like Google Alerts to monitor online reputation. Next section is content creation, including YouTube. Now I am break down the most important part of this strategy is content creation, including YouTube. So number one is blog posts. Post local blog content. Number two, video content. Create YouTube shorts or YouTube videos such as how to use engaging images and graphics. Use high quality images for social media, blog posts, and GB. Then the next strategy is or next section is link building, most valuable section of this kind of strategy. So number one is local backlinks. Build backlinks from local blogs, news sites, and partners. Number two, sponsorship or local events. Sponsor local events or collaborate with local. The section important section is YouTube video opportunities. I am break down all this type of section YouTube video opportunities. So number one section is most important video content ideas. Next is YouTube SEO tactics. Next, YouTube SEO video strategy. So I am break down all this step by step. The first one is video content ideas. Number one, behind the scenes show how to videos. Number two, customer testimonials. Features satisfied customers sharing their experiences. How videos create tutorials related to your business. Local community engagement showcase local events or partnerships in the community. So the next step is YouTube SEO tactics, most important for YouTube SEO marketing tips for your business. So YouTube SEO tactics number one is optimized video titles. Use local keywords in your video title. Example, how we make our etc. Best pizza in New York City. This type. Best pizza is like Toronto, Los Angeles. Number two, craft compelling description. Include yours, business details, and local information in the video description. Most important part of this strategy. Number three, tags and thumbnails. Use local keywords as tags. Create custom thumbnails that reflect local branding. Number three, create playlist. Group similar videos to playlist. Next section is YouTube video strategy. Now I break down this section. Number one, frequency. Post at least 2 videos per month. Number two, video length. Keep videos between 7 to 3 minutes to regain viewers' attention. Embed video. Embed video on the website and Google Business profile to place local SEO. This is very good, important part of this YouTube video strategy. So now next section is roadmap timeline. I'll explain after this long video. Next section is tools and resources. So we are using free and affordable tools. Free tools are Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and paid tools are SEMrush, VidIQ, and Canva. The next sections are expected results and metrics. Most important part for this local strategy. Key performance indicators. First, Google Business Profile Insights. Monitor views, clicks, and calls through GBP. Website traffic. Track organic traffic and local traffic growth. Number three, ranking improvements. Measure keywords rankings changes in local search. Number three, YouTube metrics. Track views, likes, comments, and subscribers. Number four, conversion rates. Measure leads generation from local traffic. So this is the strategy, all strategy for your YouTube SEO strategy and roadmap for your business. You can implement all these strategies step by step, and I am helping you to implement this and grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video.